Hello, my name's Danny. I'm a teacher at Windsor. I'm going to give you some tips for IELTS today. An important thing in the listening test is make sure you read the instructions carefully. If the task says to write 2 words, write 2 words. If it says 1 word, write only 1. If you write 2, it will be wrong. And also you can underline key words in the question to help you understand what you're listening for. And you can look at the grammar too, it can help you. For example, it might say, take a with you. We understand there's a, it must be a singular noun, and it won't start with a vowel. So that gives you an idea what to listen for. Perhaps you may find some questions are more difficult to answer than other ones. That's fine, just move on, do the easy ones. Come back to the hard ones later. You don't get any more points for the hard questions, and maybe sometimes, for example, question 1 might be harder than question 2. After you do the easier questions, you'll understand more about the text, and it will help you answer those difficult questions. Plan. It really helps to plan your essay or your other tasks before you begin. You may think, but I don't have so much time to write. If I read to you in English and you write what I say, you can probably write about 800 or 900 words in 30 minutes if you know what to write. You don't have to write so many words in the exam. For your essay, you need at least 250 words. You have 40 minutes. You could spend up to 10 minutes planning your essay. What information to put in each paragraph? What examples can you think of? And then you have 30 minutes to write 250, 260 words. It'll be much easier when you know what you actually want to write. You should explain yourself and expand your answers. If the examiner asks you, do you work or are you a student? You could just say, I work. Then they'll ask you more questions like, what do you do? Do you enjoy your job? How long have you been doing that for? Don't wait for them to ask you those questions. If they ask you, do you work or are you a student? Say, I work. I'm a teacher. I've been working at Windsor School in Moscow for the past 3.5 years, and I really find my job quite enjoying because it's challenging, and I find that I'm helping people to improve themselves and get better scores in IELTS, for example. In the speaking test, don't worry. Don't feel nervous. Or just feel nervous. That's fine. The first set of questions that you're going to be asked are going to be about your work or study or your hometown or where you live. And the examiner expects you to prepare for these questions. So they're not really judging you so much at the start of the test. It's your chance to be nervous, but it's also a good chance for you to have a brain freeze.